Hey everyone, I'm Chris from FlagHouse, and this week I'm here with Colleen McCurry to look at some great activities you can do with this inflatable bowling ball.
The great part about the inflatable bowling ball is that it doubles as a playground ball, so you don't have to worry about the weight in the bowling ball. You can try it with all different types of team building activities, cooperative games, and teaching the fundamentals of bowling.
All right, so stay tuned. Colleen's got some great activities using this very unique bowling ball coming up next on the FlagHouse Activity Channel.
All right, we're going to be demonstrating the inflatable bowling ball, which has the versatility of an outdoor recreational ball, and it can be used indoor or outdoor. And we're also going to be utilizing the bowling pins and showing you all different activities we can do with both. So we're going to work on the skill of rolling, right, while we're playing the game. You're going to notice that there's these blue domes down the center. That's the dividing line. So if you're on the team closest to the stage, then you're going to just make sure that you don't cross over the blue domes, and the team that's on the bleacher side is going to make sure that they stay on their side. If the ball comes to you and you happen to intercept it, you just pick it up and then you get yourself into a position where you're going to be able to bowl it back against the other team. Right? You have 5 bowling pins to protect, and your goal throughout the game is to try to safeguard your pins, but you may not enter the green zone. So you can't actually go in there. So if I'm on this team, I can't actually go in here to protect my bowling pin, but I can stay out here, and as a ball comes in, I can attempt to try to intercept it, and then I can pick it up and bowl it back in the other direction to see if I can knock down one of their pins. Okay, ready, go. Right, make sure it's a rolling motion, right, like you would in bowling. Right, nice and flat. Aim on focusing getting the ball flat on the ground. Right, make sure you stay on your, oh, there you go. We got 2 down over here. Right, work on that approach step. So everyone is going to have one bowling ball and one hula hoop that will be designated as your bowling ball. Your job in this game is to try to knock the pin down of someone else in the game while still protecting your own. Now, part of the game is for someone's pin to get knocked down. If your pin does get knocked down, then you're just going to lay your ball, okay, down inside your hoop. You're going to move to the outside lane, and you're going to skip around the length, stay in the green paint, go around the green all the way around, and come back. You can reset your pin and re-enter the game as soon as that happens, okay? Work on technique, nice little roll. Okay, go get your ball, Bryn. You gotta go get it. Uh-oh. Okay, here we go. Oh, nice easy tap. Oh, there we go. All right, freeze. All right, come on in. Meet me back here at the center. So I'm going to have Logan and Martin. You're going to stay right here. You're going to be the first. You're going to be the first 2 bowlers. So Michaela and Ryan, I want you to stand on the blue steps on either side of the pins. Okay, and Sam, you're going to step on one of the steps with Ryan. He'll be on the other one. Sam, you are the ball retriever. So as the ball comes down and Logan's hits the pins, then you're going to retrieve the ball and you're just going to jog it back and return it to him because he gets 2 tries. Nice. Okay, so Bryn would be the scorekeeper and she would mark an 8 for Logan, okay? Oh, nice. Okay, so you can remove the pins out of the way so he knows that he only has 1 left. So you're going to, still working on technique, right? You're going to start behind the green. So I would start outside of the green zone so you can take an approach step. You're going to use the black line as your rolling line, and you're going to roll your ball out. If you knock the pin down, right, then you get a point. You're going to follow your pin. Martin's going to pick it up because I didn't knock it down, and he's going to jog it back, and he's going to become the next bowler. I will wait here, okay? If he knocks it down, I'm going to reset it. We get a point, and then when they get here, take their ball and run to the other side to be the next bowler in the round. Okay? Ready? And go. 1 minute. See how many points your team can get. Follow your ball. Good. Run it back. Oh, Kaylin, that was close. Oh, we got 1 there. How are we doing over here? freeze, hold 1 second. All right, so hopefully you had a great time working with the inflatable bowling ball. You could see where you could use it in all different styles of activities and games. I hear some huffing and puffing. That's always a good sign. It means you were working hard during the activity. So I hope you had fun, and it was a great job working with the inflatable bowling ball.
Thank you so much for checking out our videos. Please like, share, or drop us a comment, and you definitely want to subscribe to our channel. We always have a new episode every Wednesday morning. Click these links for more videos or access to the FlagHouse activity guide page. See you next time.